Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Fresh arrival, 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, big block, 4-speed, 396, 4-barrel, date-coated engine. All your heater stuff is there. Real clean inside, power front disc brakes, power steering, aluminum radiator, keep you nice and cool. Nice and simple. Upgraded headers. Super clean underneath there. Painted on black rally stripes. Front grille and chrome is in good shape. Lower valance as well. Body lines are clean with no waves. Runs through. Rally wheels. Older paint jobs, got some metallic in it. Gaps out right from the fender to the door. All your chrome. Glass is in good shape. Back door gaps out to the fender. I should say door. Backs out. Got great stance on her. Sun's hitting it a little funky way, but it's clean. It's not crazy priced. Dual exhaust. Rear chrome bumper's good. And lower valance. Painted on stripes on the trunk. Good gaps. Yeah, nice all the way through. I've got it open, that's why it probably looks a little... Trunk is in good shape. Seems to have all original quarters on here. Spare tire and jack intact. Yeah, close it down good. Vinyl top's in good shape all the way throughout. No paint flaws that I found yet. Door to quarter good. Sport mirror. Fender to door good. Excuse me. Great stance all the way throughout. Body looks real nice. Nice value for under $40,000, folks. Back seat's good. No rips. Rear deck is fine. And your headliner's good. Upgraded buckets. Hurst 4-speed. Dash, no cracks. Nice and clean through the crevices. Your sill plates. And in your door jambs. Nice. $81,797 miles on it. Let's see. Sorry, that was me. There we go. All your gauges are working correctly. Standard radio from the factory is still there. All your carpet is nicely tucked away and nice. Good sound. windy out today. Nice. Drives out good, clutch is solid, brakes the way it should. Nice. Solid car, guys and gals. Located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes away from O'Hare Airport. Our warehouse is open from Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We've got special financing that's available if you have good credit, up to 180 months with 10% down. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured. You could go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com, where you'll find 200 cars ready for sale, ready for immediate delivery. All our description, pricing, video is online with all our photos. And if you have any questions on any of that, you could always give me a call. My name is Earl. I give you quotes on shipping, or if you want to talk about any of the cars, at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, that's mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Earl, and thank you for spending a few minutes on this 1968 396 4-speed Camaro. Real nice driver.